Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily enable or disable network link scan settings on your CANON i-SENSYS MF657. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to menu and here go to preferences. Now go to the network and here go to TCP and IP settings. Now scroll down and here you will guys see the network link scan settings. Here you guys can disable them and here you can enable them and also enable use TLS. Now after that you'll apply the settings and they will be configured already. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.